Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and today Julie's here. And what brought you in today?
Severe neck pain.
Okay. And when did that start up?
A couple days ago.
A couple days ago?
Yeah.
Okay. What were you doing?
I don't know if I slept wrong, honestly, if I had my pillow wedged or from feeling just yucky, it kind of settled. But it's not pretty.
Is it going down your arms at all?
Not really.
Okay. Is it right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah, that's,
Yeah.
It's even warm.
Yeah.
Did you have a heating pad on it?
No.
Okay. It's like hot. It's angry.
I actually sat in the sun.
Okay.
Too, just now.
Okay. Okay. Your low back's not bad.
No.
Have you had any sciatica or anything lately?
I've been doing well with that.
Good. I think I'm going to do a little adjustment on that lumbar there.
Yep.
But we gotta get this straightened out.
Please.
You got it. Sit on back. You even still got your St. Patrick's stuff going, so that's good.
I had to so the kids didn't pinch me.
Pinch you? Oh, that's really okay.
Yeah, it's
right on there. Chin down. There we go. A little bit. I know there's more than that there.
Yeah.
Chin down. Yeah, let that go. Let that go. Look up a little. There. So we're still in lateral bend. You feel that? Right? That's still a little restricted. Not so bad that way.
Right.
Extension's getting better. We need to get one lower there.
Yeah.
So we're going to try and get that lateral bend now. So, straight to the side, a little bit further. You're going to go really far and drop your left shoulder. There it goes. And that cleared up really good.
Much better.
Yeah. All right, so now we're going to get that extension right there below it. Have you lay on your back.
Okay.
And put like your neck start right there. Scoot down a little bit. Good. Tip your head back a little.
Okay.
Good. Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. There it was.
Yeah.
Nice.
Much better.
That up. Turn on your side that way. So Julie's been a patient for a while. And I don't know, I probably see you every 3 or 4 months. Get a little flare up of something.
Yep.
She's pretty active. She actually babysits my son every once in a while. That's the perk of being a chiropractor in town. You meet great people like that all the time. There we go. Good. Let's have you lay face down. Last time you weren't available though.
Right?
Oh.
It was crazy.
I think he came here.
Did he?
Yeah. For a few hours. That's still not perfect.
I really had it jacked up.
I'll tell you. You don't know what you did though, huh?
No.
Okay. Let your head roll. A little bit more. Keep going. Alright, deep breath in. Let it all out. There it is. Let it go. A little bit more. Good. I know that didn't pop much, but we got a little more motion. Okay. Flip back over on your back. Hey, bud. Okay. I'm just gonna pull up. I have to get my fingers underneath that one right there. Alright, let it come up. Take a deep breath in. And all out. Up, look up a little. There it goes. So that was a little axial decompression. So we got the lateral bending and the rotation and extension, but it was still restricted. And that really released quite a bit more now. Alright, let's bring it back in the chair and recheck.
I already feel the pressure is less.
Yeah. Good. Oh, beautiful. So I'm going to recommend you ice this
Okay.
For 20 minutes when you get home.
Okay.
Because that's still pretty warm. It was really, really angry.
It's tender, but
yeah,
it's amazing the pressure is decreased.
Yeah,
yes.
Yeah. So ice is going to help get rid of that tenderness.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds
So good. If it's still bugging you, what's today? Tuesday? If it's still bugging you Thursday, I would say pop back in for another adjustment. Okay? Great.
I can see you before.
That's good. No, it moved well. So just baby it, ice it, get that inflammation to calm down. Okay?
Sounds good.
Thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Butler. This is Julie. Have a great day.